Welcome to the fourth part in Madison College's Budget 101 education series. This part of the Budget 101 series will introduce you to the college's expenditures. Expenditures are the payment of expenses that the college incurs to operate. At Madison College, we reflect our expenditures in the budget in two ways, by function and by object. Expenditures by function are expenditures described by type of activity. This is because the college has to follow the standard conventions of reporting for higher education. Grouping expenditures by the types of activities makes comparing information across institutions simpler. Expenditures by function include instruction, instructional resources, student services, general institutional, physical plant, and public service. Instruction includes teaching, academic administration, guiding students in their educational programs, coordination and improvement of teaching, and other activities related directly to the teaching of students. Instructional resources includes learning resource activities such as the library, Learning Resource Center, and clerical and administrative support related to instructional resources. Student services includes non-instructional services provided for the student body, such as student services administration and clerical support, student recruitment, admissions, registration, counseling, including testing and evaluation, health services, and financial aid. General institutional includes all services benefiting the entire district, exclusive of those that can be charged directly to other functional categories. Examples of this type of expenditure are general liability insurance, data processing, and human resources. This function includes the cost of the district board, the office of the president, the finance office, the budget office, and other general supporting administrative offices serving the district. Physical plant includes all services required for the operation and maintenance of the physical facilities. General utilities such as heat, light, and power are included in this function. Public service is used to track the cost of offering non-credit courses for public betterment. Expenditures by object include salaries, fringe benefits, supplies and services, capital, and debt service. These categories describe what we plan to pay for. Salaries are the largest expenditure category by object for Madison College. Approximately 60% of the college's operating budget is spent on salaries for its employees. The second largest expenditure category by object for Madison College is fringe benefits, which account for approximately 20% of the college's operating budget. Fringe benefits include health and dental insurance, contributions to employees' retirement, employment taxes such as FICA and Medicare, as well as life and disability insurance. The rest of the college's operating budget is spent on supplies and services. Supplies and services include a variety of expenditures such as food, travel, contracted services, professional development, and supplies needed to do our jobs. It also includes expenditures for utilities, leases, insurance, and data processing. In addition to the operating budget, which is known as the general fund, the college has a capital fund and a debt service fund. Budget for expenditures related to construction, remodeling, and equipment, such as computers and furniture, is tracked in the capital fund. Budget for expenditures related to paying off the college's debt is tracked in the debt service fund. These expenditures could also be called the college's mortgage payment. Similar to purchasing a house or making other large purchases, the college borrows money to pay for construction, remodeling, and equipment. You may see expenditures by object in different ways in different materials. This is because the budget office has to balance compliance with state standards and transparency. For example, in the budget document, reports by object use the categories salaries and wages, fringe benefits, current expense, capital outlay, and debt service. However, in budget presentations, we often break those figures out further. For example, we commonly break out current expense into supplies and services, leases, utilities, district insurance, data processing, and contingency. If you're ever unsure which expenditures fall into which category, you can check the glossary on the Budget Office website. Thank you for participating in the Budget 101 education series. The next video in this series is the big picture.